Being a mortgage agent and being a real estate agent both has their pros and their cons. And I know for you, you might be wondering which one of these careers is suitable for you. In the past, I had my mortgage agent license, which I had for maybe 2 years, and then I chose to become a real estate agent. Now, I'm going to share with you the pros and the cons of both so that at the end of this video, you'll be able to make an informed decision. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to me here, my name is Yashika Turner. I work part-time as a real estate agent currently while working a full-time job as a registered nurse. Now, the similarity with being a mortgage agent and a real estate agent is the lifestyle, the freedom and the flexibility and the autonomy of your time. Now, this is one reason why I chose to become a mortgage agent a few years ago. Being a registered nurse, I was looking into a career transition that offers this freedom and this flexibility. So I went ahead and I did my mortgage agent exam and I became licensed. Now, as I said, this flexibility and this lifestyle autonomy comes with both being a real estate agent and being a mortgage agent. Now, that's a similarity. And the autonomy that you might want to choose either or. So what I like about being a mortgage agent, well, the only thing I like about being a mortgage agent really is the ease of getting into it. It's one exam, so you pick one course, one exam. Get hired by a brokerage, and then the brokerage will help you to get your license. That's how easy it is to become a mortgage agent. Versus becoming a real estate agent, it requires lots of more time, lots more studying, and a whole lot of stress, right? And it is very expensive, close to $6,000 with multiple exams. And if you fail one of those exams, you have to pay again to pass that exam, and you can't do the other course until you pass that exam, level 1. So you do course 1, then course 2, course 3, and also that part of it, that portion of it is called the pre-registration part of it. After license and after working, you have up to 2 years to complete another course that you have to pay for again for the post-registration part of it. Now, again, this is specifically for Ontario, Canada. I'm not sure what it is like in the States or in other provinces, but comparing the cost and the ease of getting in, the mortgage agent is the go-to, right? Number 2, dealing with people and the type of people. Now, I didn't like being a mortgage agent because of the type of people that I was dealing with and the type of people that you have to deal with in the process. These people feel as if they're obligated and feel as if you're bothering them for documents. Now, again, you are like the middle person for a financial institution when you're working as a mortgage agent. You're working like as a wholesaler. So you need to get all the information and all the financial documents, the financial history from these clients to prove to the lender that these clients will be able to pay back their loan. Now, these documents will look like job letters, pay slips, their tax information, credit information, credit card info, and all the debts and all the credit card statements and all that stuff. And at times when you ask these clients for these documents, they act as if you are the one who need it or you're bothering them, and you have to be reminding them, constantly asking them for this. And that comes with a lot of patience and a lot of tact and how you deal with some of these clients. I didn't like this part of being a mortgage agent because it felt as if I was chasing these clients for documents, and some of them can be rude. Yes, some of them can be rude. And at times the lender wants a document in a specific way. You tell them to send a copy, PDF copy. They send a picture. How can you send this lean up picture with half of the document to the lender? The lender's not going to accept this. You have to contact them again. Can we get a PDF copy instead of a picture with half the document? They take forever to send it. And again, they act as if you're begging them for this type of document. So that was one of the biggest turn off. The patience. I didn't have the patience to deal with these type of clients. No, the main difference with this type of work compared to being a real estate agent is that you can work from your laptop. You can do almost everything from your laptop. I can be vacationing in Jamaica on the beach, and I can be working on a transaction on my laptop, a mortgage agent transaction. Whereas being a realtor, you have to be present most of the time, and it is time consuming. You have to take clients on house shopping. You have to spend your weekends in open houses. Evening times, you have to be out. So rather than being a mortgage agent and you can work from your laptop while the kids are playing, watching TV, with being a realtor, you have to go out. So real estate takes up more time. Mortgage agent, it gives you more flexibility. Let's look at the type of clients now that you work with being a real estate agent. Now, these clients, they're excited and they're motivated and they want to get this house, right? So you're dealing with a different attitude and you get a different side of the client because they're eager to buy or they're eager to sell, right? So you see a different side of them versus they accept the house, right? And then they want the money for the house and they're like, okay, why are you bothering me? I already have the house. Whereas they don't get the house, that's it. But that's the mindset that they have. So it's dealing with a different version of the client while being a real estate agent and being seeing a different version of the client while being a mortgage agent. So you have to choose whether you're a people person and you like to go outdoors, house shopping, rather than if you're an introverted person and you rather work behind the scenes on the computer, on the laptop, and only talking on the phone, communicating via email or text. So you choose which one works better for you and which one suits your lifestyle. Again, for me, as I said, I didn't like the numbers, so I chose to become a real estate agent. But I did not know the depth of the course before I went into being a real estate agent, right? Because after completing the mortgage agent, I thought it was as easy as a walkover course completion. Than that, it was very intense. So if you're planning to be a real estate agent, the coursework is a lot. Yes, it is a lot. To be honest, to be frank, it is a lot. I was not expecting so much and so intensity of building structure, electricity, type of roofs, types of windows, types of doors. Yes, all that stuff you get in the real estate coursework, right? And then you have your simulation exams. And yeah, it is a lot. If I had known that it was so much, I think I would have just suck it up and just stick to being a mortgage agent rather than being a real estate agent, to be honest. It took me 2 years. So again, the maximum time they give you to complete the real estate course is 2 years. Some persons finish it up in as minimum as 4 months, but for me, it was so intense. I took the full 2 years. Full 2 years. Now, don't be intimidated. There's a lot of resources online to help you with the coursework, lots of YouTube videos. So don't be intimidated. Now, lastly, let's talk about the money. Money. Those are commission. So both of them are commission-based careers. Both comes with commission. Both has unlimited cap of how much you can make, right? Both are business in the finance field. So with commission based, you decide how much you want to work, when you want to work, where you want to work, how much clients you want to see for the year, for the month, for the week. So both are commission based. With the real estate, there is a set commission, depends on the brokerage that you're working with. And for the mortgage agent, it's usually a percentage of the amount that the client is borrowing, that the lender is giving. Sometimes the client will pay and sometimes the lender pay. So it depends. But real estate makes a little bit more. So both has a potential for high income at the end of it all. But you decide. For real estate, it's a little bit more commission than mortgage. But again, as I said, the real estate is more time consuming while the mortgage agent is working behind the scenes. So you can be working with more clients in the same timing which adds up to the same amount of commission that you might be getting with working with one or two real estate clients trying to find a house or trying to sell a house. Because you can be working on 10 deals at once, 10 different clients, while being a real estate agent working with 10 clients at once can be mentally stressful and time consuming. So that's where it is. So let me know in the comments which one you're considering, which one you're leaning towards more, and let me know if you have any further questions, and I will do a breakdown of costs, a breakdown of course curriculum for the real estate agent course. And thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.